Welcome back to the uKnowva HRMS course. In this video, we will learn how to import users from the configuration page in uKnowva HRMS. Let's get started. To begin, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. From the list of options, select uKnowva configuration. A new page will open displaying the configuration settings. From the left side menu, select the User Manager option. This will open a page showing the list of users available in the system. Click on the Import button. From the available options, select Import Users. You will see two tabs, AI-powered import and legacy import. Prepare your CSV file according to the method you want to use. For example, if you choose the legacy method, click on the Legacy Import tab. Here, you can download the template file or ensure that your CSV file contains the required headers as displayed in the system. Before uploading the file, you can select the required options such as Send Welcome Email, Skip Existing Users, Update Blank Values, or Create New Designation, depending on your requirement. Next, click on the Browse button to select your prepared CSV file. Once selected, the file will be uploaded automatically. If there are no errors in the file, the new users will be successfully added to the system. That's it. You now know how to import users from the uKnowva configuration page. Thank you for watching.